We've all dropped our phone and had that terrible feeling, wondering if it was damaged or if it stopped working, worried that our precious photos, our apps, and important information would be lost. My name is Tony and I'm with KEY-BAK. With the use of our phone tether, it's going to help your phone from getting lost, damaged, stolen, and it's always going to be within reach. What's cool about our phone tether is that it comes with a belt clip or a carabiner. So it easily attaches to your belt loop, your belt, a gym bag, anything that you need it to attach to. And as a 36-inch cord. So you could use it, and when you're done, you simply give it a tug and it goes all the way back. Comes out in 5-inch increments, so you decide what you're comfortable with. You're probably wondering, how does this attach to your phone? Well, it's simple. Take your phone off, and you've got a little anchor here that goes right into your charging port like so, and then we've got an easy clip that goes right onto it, and presto, put your phone back in place, and there you are. I like the clear phone tether, but we have an option of translucent blue and black, whichever you prefer. We live in the 21st century and everybody is connected and online right now. So the phone tether just makes sense for so many people. It allows them to breathe a little easier knowing that their phone isn't going to get lost, stolen, misplaced. And you know, I have an elderly mom. She uses one of these things and she loves it. So if you're interested in our phone tether, then go to keybak.com and order yours today.